So today I'll be showing you what to do in case your Xiaomi Sound Pocket speaker is not turning on. So you press once, it's not turning on, you long press and it's still not turning on. Now, now obviously mine turns on, but in case you're trying to do that and it's not turning on, then the most likely reason is it's run out of battery. So all you have to do is just pick up the charger that comes in the box of your speaker and connect the other side, this side to a source of power. It could be your laptop, could be any power outlet, could be a power brick or even a laptop or even a TV, doesn't really matter. And then go on the other side, on this side of your speaker, and just plug in the type C side of the cable and give it some time to charge. You can tell it's charging because it's going to have this little red light. So just give it time to charge and then you can try and turn it on again. Thanks for watching and good luck.